Welcome to the project demonstration of coin operated car battery charging system. So here we are going to detect the coin from this box. Inside we place the IR sensor. So whenever we insert the coin, the IR sensor will reflect the IR rays and the IR receiver will receive that, and it will give the digital output to the PIC16F72 microcontroller. So by this microcontroller we are going to detect the input from the IR as detect the coin, and then based on the detection it will add the 60 seconds of duration to the timer. So till the duration we are going to switch on this relay. So the relay will allow the 12 volts power supply, which is sufficient to charge this 12 volt 2 amp battery. And also the so-called status will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen, and whenever the time is completed then the buzzer will be indicated. And also we are going to provide the 12 volts power supply from this transformer. Here the power flow is 230 volts is input, and the step down transformer, so it will step down the 230 volts AC to the 12 volts of AC. And after this bridge rectifier, there are 4 diodes are connected in bridge rectifier manner, we will get the pulsating DC. And after this capacitor we will get the pure DC voltage. And here we are using 7805 regulator. Why? Because microcontroller need 5 volts constant power supply. For that we are using 7805 regulator, and it will provide the constant 5 volts power supply. And once it get the 5 volts power supply, then it start reading input from the IR sensor, which is connected at B0 pin. And next status will be displayed on the LCD screen at connected at B2 to B7, and the buzzer and LED indications are of C4 pin. And next voltage sensor. So in order to measure the voltage, whenever the battery is filled, then automatically it will be isolated either the time or a battery voltage. So that was continuously monitoring from the voltage sensor connected at A0 pin, and the relay connected at C3 pins. And coming to this motherboard, there is one reset switch, and this one is the crystal oscillator, and red light is going to be the power LED indication. Okay, so let us see the demonstration. So once we switch on the cage, then there will be a one LCD indication, and also now the battery is connected here, so that's why it measuring the voltage, and the status is charger off. And when we insert the coin, then the buzzer will be indicated, and then we can see the relay got switched on and the timer is running now. So if you want to increase the time, then just place the coin here, and when the buzzer is coming, then only we can release the coin. It's a second time when you want to add the second coin. So we can see that the timer is running and the so-called seconds got added. Right. Now we can see the voltage also is increasing parallelly. Why? Because the relay got switched on and the charging supply is provided for the battery. And after that timer is completed, then automatically the relay got switched off. Yep. Thank you.